Arizona Supreme Court Chief Justice Ann Timmer's strategic agenda has a simple yet bold title: and justice for all.
It's been a problem that's been the forefront of my mind for decades now. Arizona is 49th out of 50 states in terms of lawyers per capita. It might surprise you to know that because it seems like there are lawyers everywhere. We see billboards everywhere, etc. But there are not that many lawyers in Arizona, at least as many as people as are needed in our state. We see lawyers commonly in our urban areas, but increasingly people don't want to go to the more rural areas, and so we're seeing a lot of problems with lack of lawyers all over our state.
Which is why Arizona's Supreme Court is creating new ways to help consumers find the legal help they need.
We've created the legal paraprofessional program. We created that a few years ago. Now we're expanding on that. We've created the community justice worker program. We have tried to induce more lawyers to come to Arizona or prove their competency through alternate pathways. All of these things are pieces that we're putting into place that we expect then to build upon in the coming years.
And the court is looking to the medical world for inspiration.
And this is something the medical profession went through maybe 60 years ago. It used to be that you could only go to a doctor or a nurse, and only a doctor maybe could draw your blood, or maybe a nurse could, and that was it. But they recognized in the medical profession that, hey, you don't always need a doctor to do absolutely everything. We're looking at the legal profession the same way. You don't always need a lawyer to do absolutely everything.
And it's not just lawyers. The court is reimagining how it works as well.
A lot of the emphasis of the court and of our current strategic agenda is to help people in the community help themselves through the court system, to navigate the court system in whichever way, whatever issue they have, whatever interaction that they have with the court system. It's confusing, it's scary, it can be difficult.
GAVL 2.0 uses artificial intelligence to help consumers navigate the legal process on the court's website.
Well, what do I do? Where do I go? What are my options? Now you can go on the website and use GAVL and ask questions.
But all these changes are creating waves.
We have our critics. We have our critics in other states saying, well, you're going way too fast. This isn't what lawyers do. This isn't what courts do. Well, I know that. But what lawyers have done and what courts have done for years isn't doing people any good. So we need to be a bit bolder, and that's been pretty much the theme of the first year.
Tomorrow, a closer look at how the court is working to maintain public trust and confidence. I'm Rick DeBrule.